So let's talk about how much Copilot actually costs to deploy. And I mentioned at the start, it's low cost and low risk. First of all, there's the Copilot web version at copilot.microsoft.com, which you can go to right now and you can use it without any Microsoft subscriptions. But the real power of it is when you already have a Microsoft 365 subscription for your users, like Microsoft 365 Business Premium. If you do, then on the upper right corner, you can click on sign in. And once you sign in with your Microsoft 365 Business Premium or equivalent account, it will actually show a badge that says you are now in a protected mode. It's a nice big green badge. Once that's there, you have corporate data privacy. By people authenticating to the Copilot site with their organization's credentials that you're providing that they're already using every day for their email, you now have data privacy. So it's so much better than just the public websites that don't give you that data privacy. In addition, once you subscribe to the next tier up, Copilot for Microsoft 365, there's a nice little toggle up in the corner. I'll show you what that looks like. Once you have the full Copilot for Microsoft 365 subscription, even the website version understands your business information because after all, it's a SaaS application. Just like you can use Outlook on the web or Word in a web browser or Excel in a web browser, you can run Copilot for Microsoft 365 in a web browser, and it's accessible from wherever you are. It does require you to authenticate to it because it's got to respect your security and your data privacy, but it's such a powerful tool. All of that gets unlocked with that Copilot for Microsoft 365 subscription, which is $360 per user per year. As AI projects go, that is super cheap, and you are still leveraging all of the continuous improvements that Microsoft is putting into it. The photo that's over on the right, I actually grabbed that one yesterday because Microsoft announced at least one more Copilot service that wasn't there when I built all these decks a couple of weeks ago. That product list is a list of all the various Microsoft Copilot offerings. So there's some very specific things, some role-specific things. When you're talking about Copilot, let's keep the conversation to Copilot for Microsoft 365. That is really the play that gives you access to all this business information and the integrations that you saw within those application demos.